Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus Punjab Book Foundation 6 SSC2 Unit number 12 Geometrical Optics. Today we will discuss SLO base according to FBISC requirement numerical problems. So we can solve question number 1 to 4 in part 1. Now we have in question number 1 given statement is an object 10 centimeter in front of convex mirror from an image 5 centimeter behind the mirror. What is the focal length of mirror? Now, first of all, write the given data. In given data, the distance of object P is equal to 10 centimeter and the distance of image Q is equal to minus 5 centimeter because in a convex mirror image is formed behind the mirror, so distance Q is equal to minus 5 centimeter. We can require that focal length f is equal to question mark. We can using the formula that is 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. Now in solution we have putting the values, then 1 over f is equal to 1 over 10 minus 1 over 5. Now taking the LCM, that is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 1 minus 2. Here 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So focal length 1 over f is equal to minus 1 over 10 centimeter. Now taking the reciprocal on both sides or cross multiplication, so focal length f is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Then result of the required answer focal length f is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now in question number 2, given statement an object 30 centimeter tall is located at 10.5 centimeter a concave mirror with the focal length of 16 centimeter. Now, first of all, write the given data and find the two parts. In first part, where the image is located and how high it is. So, in the statement, given data and object height h naught that is equal to 30 centimeter and the distance of object P is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Focal length f is equal to 16 centimeter. Now required that in first part image located, so the distance of image q is equal to question mark, and in B part how high is it, so image height that is equal to hi question mark. Now using the formula for first part image distance that is equal to q, so we can use the formula A part 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q, and for a B part image height that is equal to hi, so using the formula hi over h naught is equal to q over p. Now in first part solution we know that 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. Putting the values, then 1 over q is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over p. So 1 over q is equal to 1 over 16 minus 1 over 10.5. Taking the LCM and solve by calculator, we have the value 1 over Q is equal to minus 11 upon 336. Image is formed by a concave mirror, so this is positive. So 1 over Q is equal to 11 over 336. Now we have Q is equal to 336 divided by 11 by taking reciprocal on both sides. Now Q is equal to 336 divided by 11. Then 336 divided by 11 is equal to 30.54. So the answer of the distance of image Q is equal to 30.54. Now for a B part, we know that Qi our H naught, that is equal to Q our P. Now Hi is equal to 30.54 divided by 10.5 multiplied by height of object 30. Now we can solve these values. So Hi is equal to 87.26. So the answer of height of image for a B part 87.26. Now the result of first part Q is equal to 30.54 centimeter and height Hi is equal to 87.26 centimeter. Now in question number 3, an object and its image in a concave mirror are the same height. Here what is the given statement? Image of object and image of object in a concave mirror are a same height. So Hi is equal to H naught. Yet inverted when the object is 20 centimeter from the mirror. What is the focal length of mirror? We can find the focal length of mirror. First of all, according to the statement, write the given data. According to the given condition, in a concave mirror, both are same, so Hi is equal to H naught. We have Q over H, Hi over H naught is equal to Q over P. Here Hi and H naught both are same, so that is equal to 1. Then Q over P is equal to 1. P is divided, on other side it will be multiplied. This implies that Q is equal to P. So we can write that distance of object P is equal to distance of image Q is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we can require that the focal length F. Using the formula 1 over F is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over Q. In solution we can putting the values, then in solution we know that 1 over F is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over Q. Putting the values, then 1 over F is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20. Taking the LCM, then 1 over F is equal to 2 by 20. Taking reciprocal on both sides, so this implies that F is equal to 10 centimeter because 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10, then F is equal to 10 centimeter. So the focal length F is equal to 10 centimeter. Now today last question, question number 4. Find the focal length of mirror that form the image of 5.66 centimeter behind the mirror of object placed at 34.4 centimeter in front of the mirror. Is the mirror is concave or convex? So first of all, find the focal length, write the given data. According to the statement, distance of object E is equal to 34.4 centimeter and distance of image Q is equal to minus 5.66 centimeter. Because minus sign we can use image is behind the image mirror. So we can write the negative sign. Now we have write the given data. So to find the required focal length and also discuss that is the mirror is concave or convex. So focal length is positive, so mirror is concave. If focal length is negative, then mirror is convex. Now we can use the formula 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. In solution, putting the values, then we know that 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. Putting the values 1 over f is equal to 1 upon 34.5 minus 1 upon 5.66. That is equal to minus 7185 divided by 48,676. Now taking reciprocal on both sides, then focal length f is equal to minus 48,676 divided by 7185. So the answer of focal length is minus 6.77 centimeter. Here answer is negative, so we can have use the mirror is convex mirror. Remaining numerical in remaining video. Best of luck. Take care.